Worried about how you'd make loan payments if you lost your job? SoFi offers a unique benefit called unemployment protection. Today, we're breaking down how it works and how to qualify. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This isn't automatic. It's a program you may be eligible for if you have an eligible SoFi loan and meet specific criteria. It's designed to provide a temporary safety net. If you're laid off through no fault of your own, you can apply for the program. If approved, SoFi will temporarily pause your monthly payments for 3-month intervals, up to 12 months total. During this forbearance period, SoFi will also provide job placement assistance to help you get back on your feet. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: read your loan agreement carefully. The specific terms of unemployment protection can vary by loan type and when you originated it. Knowing the exact details before you need it is the best way to understand your safety net. So, just like that, you're aware of a potential lifeline SoFi offers its members during a difficult time. Do you think unemployment protection is a valuable feature when choosing a lender? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.